Hi, this is James Kanasamy here. Today is the education on what they do before they put in the utilities. So if you see um, what they have done is before they put the utility pipes, they basically cleared the side and put in the utility pipes over there. And after that, they test the utility pipes to make sure there's no leaks. And what they're doing right now is a process called backfilling. They're backfilling back the dirt to make sure that they get back the pad. And after that, they'll be doing the concrete footing process. And then after that, do the vapor. And then after that, they're gonna fill up with the concrete. Thank you so much and for following me, and make sure you guys are always looking at the videos that we are posting, so that it's going to be a learning process for me and learning process for a lot of you out there. Thank you so much. James Kanasamy from Achieve Investment Group.